Ready to ditch the paper trail and finally get a grip on digital signatures? Let's dive straight into how to log into DocuSign. First things first, open your web browser and head to DocuSign.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and give it a click. Alright, now you're at the login screen. In the first field, carefully type in the email address you used when you created your DocuSign account. Next, move on to the password field and enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock isn't on. Double check both your email and password to ensure they are accurate. Once you're confident everything is correct, click the login button. Congratulations! You're now logged into your DocuSign account. From here, you can access your documents, send out requests for signatures, and manage your account settings. Having trouble logging in? If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link on the login screen, and DocuSign will guide you through the password recovery process. And that's it. You're all set to manage your documents with DocuSign. For even easier access, download the DocuSign mobile app on your phone or tablet. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.